Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking essentials: power, label roll, and a stable surface. Insert the roll so labels face up and align the edge with the feed path. This prevents jams. Once loaded, close the cover and press the power button. You should see a ready LED or a brief calibration feed. That confirms the sensor detected label gaps. Make sure wireless or USB pairing is off until the printer finishes its first calibration to avoid missed feeds. Next, connect and configure so prints are accurate. Pair your computer or mobile app via Bluetooth, USB, or Wi-Fi and choose the device in print settings. This ensures the data route is correct. Then set label dimensions and print density. Too dark or light means adjust density in small increments. If labels shift, run the sensor calibration command from the menu or driver. That teaches the printer gap locations. Once done, print a single test. You finish by printing with care and verifying results. Send jobs at a moderate speed to avoid smearing, and inspect the first 1-2 labels for alignment and clarity. If a jam happens, immediately power off, open the cover, and carefully remove stuck labels or debris. Reseat the roll and close the lid before powering on. For persistent connectivity or print errors, restart both devices, repair the connection, and check for firmware or driver updates to fix protocol mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.